Okay, so let's continue with our next video. And in this video, we will solve the next problem, that is the viral advertising. This is on the hacker and it is on the easy category. So let's read the question. Hackerland Enterprise, so this is some company, is adopting a new viral advertising strategy. When they launch a new product, they advertise it to exactly 5 people on social media. So there is a one company and they are trying to advertise their new product and they adopted some strategy. So whenever a new product has been launched, so in the starting they advertise to exactly 5 people on the social media. So on the first day, half of the 5 people, half of the 5 people means like if you do 5 by 2 then it's 2.5, but you have to take the floor. So half of the 5 people like the advertisement and each share it with 3 of their friends. Right. So at the beginning of the second day, whatever the number of people who have received, they have shared with the 3 friends. So it means the 6 people have received the advertisement, and so on. So we need to find out at the end how many people have liked the advertisement. So let's go through the example. Okay, so what is given in the question? So let's suppose they have launched any product, and whenever they launch the product on the day one, they shared to exactly 5 people on the social media, right? So, so let's suppose they launch the product. So on the day one, they shared to the 5 people. All right. So one, two, three, four, five on the social media, and out of 5 people, half of the people will like the advertisement. So 5 by 2, 2.5, and if we take the floor division, then the 2. So it means 2 people like the advertisement, right? So we will mark it as a green. And now, then on the same day, they have shared it, each like whoever like the person liked, they have shared it with their remaining 3 friends, because 3 and 4 and 5 people did not like. So only 1 and 2 person like. So one will share with 3 of their friends, 2 will share with 3 of their friends. So on the day two, how many people have received? So 3 plus 3 is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 people have received. Then again, so on the day two, how many people will like? Half of the people will like, because the strategy is only the half of the people will like. So 6 divided by 2, 3. So 3 people will like. And when they like, each individual person will going to share with their 3 friends. So 6 is going to share with 3 people, 7 is going to share with the 3 people, 8 is going to share with the 3 people. So basically, if 1 is going to be shared with the 3, so 3 is going to share with the 9 people, 3 into 3, 9. So on the day 3, so we have 9 people who have received the advertisement. But how many people are going to be like? Half. So 9 by 2, 4.5. If we take the floor division, it's 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 people will like. So let's suppose you have to calculate, okay, n is equal to 3 is given. We have to calculate it after 3 days, how many people will like. So let's count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 9 people will be, 9 people like our liked our advertisement. So the answer is 9. So it's a straightforward question, not a like very tough question. So what we have to do is, this is the diagram as well, and sample input is 3 and output is 9. Similarly, sample input is 3. 3 means like for how many number of days we have to calculate, and what is the output. So you can see the green dots. So total 9. So 9 is the output. All right. So what we have to do? So we have to figure it out, total likes. So we can do total likes is equal to 0. All right. And recipients, or you can see, you can like mention, because in the starting you have to share with the five people. All right, so total recipient will be five. All right, so the first day the recipient will be five, but now you have to figure it out, uh, how many number of like. And so you will calculate, okay, what is the number of like on the day one, what is the number of like on the day two, what is the number of like on the day three. It means you are going to run some loop. So for dash in range of n is the number of days. All right, okay, so now you have run the loop, so now you are on the day one. So on the day one, how many number of people liked? So liked is equal to, so whatever the recipients, so how many recipients, whatever the number of recipients, divided by 2. We took the floor division. Okay. So day one has been completed. But on the day one, they are going to share it with their uh, further three friends, right? So the new recipients is equal to how many, so whatever the number of likes. So whoever liked is they are going to share. Liked star 3, right? But before that, because if you are going to share it, uh, we have to calculate, okay, on by the end of the day one, because otherwise the arrow will go to the second day. But anyhow, it doesn't matter, it's just like for the coding, because as soon as we are saying, we are just writing into the code. So on the day one, what is the total number of likes? Total likes plus is equal to liked. All right, so on the day one, total liked is 2, and then they are going to share. All right, okay, so now they are going to share with the, because whatever the number of like 2, so 2 into 3 6. Okay, so now the loop will run for the day 2. So now the recipient is 6. So if the recipient is 6, what will be the number of liked? 1 2 3. Liked is equal to 3. But what will be the total number of likes? So whatever the like on the day 1 and whatever the like on the day 2. So total likes is equal to total likes plus liked. Then uh, whatever the number of people liked, they are going to share with their three friends. So the new recipients are liked star 3. And at the end, you are going to return the total likes. All right, so it's a straight question. So let's try to run the code. A sample test case has been passed. Let's try to submit it to check all the test cases. So all the test cases has been passed. All right, so that's it. That's the end of the video, and it's like very easy question. You can also try that. So thank you.